Hi folks, Finn Wells here with rockbottomlasers.com. What I'm featuring today is a 2017 Alma Harmony Excel Pro. The Alma Harmony has been around for quite some time. However, this is the latest generation of the Alma product. It's the most powerful, it's the most versatile, and it includes 3 of the most sought after handpieces with the machine. So with this one, we do have the dye VL, which covers all of your pigmentation issues and some vascular as well. We've got the Clearlift that does tattoo removal as well as skin tightening, skin lifting. It's a highly sought after handpiece to do all of those things. And then of course the SHR, which is a workhorse handpiece for doing all of your hair removal, and it's nice and versatile. You can treat virtually every skin type except for the extremely dark skin types. But this machine does include the Buffalo Smoke Evacuator. It has, of course, the Footswitch. It has 7 pair of operator eyewear, 1 pair of patient eye shields, water refill kit, the manual. We are including a 90-day warranty on this and free shipping in the lower 48 states. So in addition, this device, you can certainly add additional handpieces to it down the road if you want to. So if you do find some used handpieces on the market, you can certainly add that to the device and it will work just fine on this machine. This machine is also it's priced very affordably. So we've got it listed at a price that I think was going to sell really quickly. And so thank you so much for watching this video. I'm happy to answer any questions you have, any additional questions, and we'll hope to talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.